How to turn on paperless statements in Regions Bank Online. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to reduce clutter and go green, well here is how to turn on paperless statements with Regions Bank Online. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once inside, you can just click on the search bar and simply search for Regions Bank. And now here, from the search result, just click on the first link and after that, you'll be prompted to the official website of the Regions Bank. Now here, simply log in with the account and once logged in, you can go to the account section and select the account for which you want paperless statements and then click statements and documents. And there you simply have to look for Go Paperless or Paperless Enrollment and click to start the process and confirm your email address where the statements will be sent and agree to the terms and disclosures. And there you can click Submit or Enroll and you will start receiving electronic statements instead of mail copies. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.